How to create PowerPoint presentation. Barsiza tutorial. Basic tasks for creating a PowerPoint presentation. Choose a theme. When we open PowerPoint, we will see some built-in themes and templates. A theme is a slide design that contains matching colors, fonts, and special effects like shadows, reflections, and more. On the File tab of the ribbon, select New, and then choose a theme. PowerPoint shows you a preview of the theme, with 4 color variations to choose from on the right side. Click Create, or pick a color variation and then click Create. Insert a new slide. On the Home tab, click the bottom half of New Slide, and pick a slide layout. Save your presentation. On the File tab, choose Save. Pick or browse to a folder. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation, and then choose Save. Add text. Select a text placeholder, and begin typing. Format your text. Select the text. Under Drawing Tools, choose Format. Do one of the following. To change the color of your text, choose Text Fill, and then choose a color. To change the outline color of your text, choose Text Outline, and then choose a color. To apply a shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, a transform, choose Text Effects, and then choose the effect you want. Formatting text. Change the fonts. Change the color of text on single. Add bullets or numbers to text. Add pictures. On the Insert tab, do one of the following. To insert a picture that is saved on your local drive or an internal server, choose Pictures, browse for the picture, and then choose Insert. To insert a picture from the web, choose Online Pictures, and use the search box to find a picture. Choose a picture, and then click Insert. Add speaker notes. Slides are best when you don't cram in too much information. You can put helpful facts and notes in the speaker notes, and refer to them as you present. To open the Notes pane, at the bottom of the window, click Notes. Click inside the Notes pane below the slide, and begin typing your notes. Give your presentation. Give your presentation. On the Slideshow tab, do one of the following. To start the presentation at the first slide, in the Start Slideshow group, click from Beginning. If you're not at the first slide and want to start from where you are, click from Current Slide. If you need to present to people who are not where you are, click Present Online to set up a presentation on the web, and then choose one of the following options. Print slides with or without speaker notes. It's actually simpler to print slides without speaker notes than with them. In fact, there is only one way to print speaker notes with slides. Click File Print. Under Settings, click the second box, which defaults to save full page slides, then under Print Layout, click Notes Pages. Notes Pages prints one slide per page, with speaker notes below. The preview pane shows you what each layout option looks like. Put in the other settings, such as which slides you want, how many copies, and so on. Click Print. Tips for creating an effective presentation. Consider the following tips to keep your audience interested. Minimize the number of slides. To maintain a clear message and to keep your audience attentive and interested, keep the number of slides in your presentation to a minimum. Choose an audience-friendly font size. The audience must be able to read your slides from a distance. Generally speaking, a font size smaller than 30 might be too difficult for the audience to see. Keep your slide text simple. You want your audience to listen to you present your information, instead of reading the screen. Use bullets or short sentences, and try to keep each item to one line. Some projectors crop slides at the edges, so that long sentences might be cropped. Use visuals to help express your message. Pictures, charts, graphs, and smart art graphics provide visual cues for your audience to remember. Add meaningful art to complement the text and messaging on your slides. As with text, however, avoid including too many visual aids on your slide. Make labels for charts and graphs understandable. Use only enough text to make label elements in a chart or graph comprehensible. Apply subtle, consistent slide backgrounds. Choose an appealing, consistent template or theme that is not too eye-catching. You don't want the background or design to detract from your message. However, you also want to provide a contrast between the background color and text color. The built-in themes in PowerPoint set the contrast between a light background with dark-colored text or dark background with light-colored text. Check the spelling and grammar. To earn and maintain the respect of your audience, always check the spelling and grammar in your presentation.